Alright, this is Seth and Andrew. Andrew's in the toboggan. I'm going to spin him around multiple times. And then he's going to try and get that trophy way over there. Okay. Just keep spinning fast. Hold still, Andrew.
Yeah, I can still like it.
Alright, go to the trophy. Oh, Jesus. Go straight ahead. Keep going. Straight ahead. Why are you going to your right? You need to go straight ahead.
Right here?
That way.
Oh. I feel something. You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Nice sturdy. What is that? A bike?
You got the trophy.